Welcome students. Today our topic is Boolean algebra, which is a new chapter in your syllabus. So what is Boolean algebra? All of you know that the normal algebra you have done in class 9, class 8, class 7, etc. And so what is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is basically used in computer science, or in other words we can say it is used in digital electronics whenever we are going to use to create any digital circuit. That circuit is totally based on on this Boolean algebra's logic. So what is circuit? In digital circuit means, suppose any circuit, suppose this is a circuit, and for every circuit there must be some input, and depending input means input signal. For any circuit, you know that for any electric signal, whenever we get lights, so electricity passes through the waves, that's why we get the light. Okay, so that's same thing is in our digital circuit also. In digital circuit there are some input, and on the basis of that input, with the basis some logic, we get some output. So what will be the logic? That logic is totally based on this Boolean algebra. Okay, so Boolean algebra is used whenever we are going to create any digital circuits. So what output we get on the basis of its input, it should follow some logic, some rules. That rules is used to create by Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra is used, it is based on two variables. Okay, two logical variables. Boolean algebra is based on logical variables. Okay, logical variables. Totally every Boolean algebras, every topic is based on logical variables. Logical variables means there may be one variable, two variable, three variable, that does not matter, but it depends on logical variables. For every logical variable there are two values. Two values means either true and or false. Okay, so in Boolean algebra, based on logical variables, for every logical variables there are two values. One value is true, another value is false. For true value we can say 1. All of you know binary system is based on 1 and 0, so that 1 is based on true value, and false means 0. So if we say 1 and 0, then it is not in our like 1 and 0 like in our decimal number system. It is in our Boolean. In whenever we discussed about in computer science, then 1 is for used as true and 0 is for false value. 1 for true value, 0 for false value. For true we can say also T and F, that is another thing, but 1 and 0 whatever we used in our binary number system. That's why as Boolean algebra based on logical value, Boolean algebra used to create any digital circuit. So digital circuit means computer based circuit. So what we know, that we know that computer circuit is based on binary number system. In binary number system there are two values, 0 and 1. So that 0 and 1 is true and false of two values. Okay, so that is the main point in every Boolean algebra system. Two logical value, it works on two logical value. One is true value, another is false value. 1 for true value, 0 for false value. Okay, there are three basic operations. So in our algebraic is normal, in our decimal number system there are four operations are plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are basic arithmetical operation. Okay, arithmetic operation. These are not used in Boolean algebra. In binary number system we use plus, minus, that is another thing. But in Boolean algebra system, this plus, minus, multiplication, division is not used. So the basic operation in Boolean algebra are basic operations in Boolean algebra. What are the basic operation in Boolean algebra? There are three basic operations. One operation is AND operation. Okay, AND operation. AND operation is denoted by plus sign. So AND operation, basic operation Boolean algebra, AND operation, which is denoted by dot. Okay, dot sign. Dot means as if our multiplication sign. Dot operate, dot sign. OR operation is denoted by plus sign, and NOT operation is denoted by either dash or bar sign. Okay, so these are the basic operation. AND is an binary operator. These are binary. Binary means an operator is works on two variables. Two variables means we can write like this way. If A and B are two logical variables, we can write AND operation means A dot B. A dot B is denoted as A and B. A dot B means A and B. Okay. OR operation is also binary operator. That means it also works minimum two operator. Not necessary it works on two operator, but it needs minimum two operator to work. So OR operator is also binary operator. That means it's also minimum required two operator. So it is denoted by A plus B. So A plus B means A or B. And NOT is an unary operator. That means it works on single operator. So single operator means it denoted by, there are two symbols, either A dash or A bar. These are not A. Okay, so don't confuse these and plus, bar, complement with our arithmetic operator. So these are our Boolean operator. Basic are, there are three Boolean operator, and or not. There are also some others operator we'll discuss later, but and or not are the basic Boolean operation. Okay, for AND operation we used A dot B. That means A dot B means A and B. For binary operation we used A plus B, that is A or B. And for unary operation it is A complement or A bar, that means not A. Okay, now we will discuss one by one operation here. So at first we will discuss our AND operation. Okay, AND operation. Whenever we do AND operation, we need to learn about three basic things for every operation. One is, it is logic gates. That means the symbol through which it is denoted, logic gates. For every Boolean operation we have to learn minimum two things, and here we are going to learn three things. One is logic gate, another is truth table, and another is switching circuit. For every operation we have to need these three things. What is logic gate? Logic gate is pictorial representation, how the gates are shown in our picture, in our practical work. It is picture, or we can say symbol. What is symbol? We know that for pi is a symbol for pi. So for AND operation there is also For every Boolean operation, we use some symbol, that is picture or symbol. Truth table is the for what value output we get for what input value. Okay, so that is truth table, and the switching circuit is also representation how the circuits are joined in a practical way. We don't need to do any practical here, only we need paperwork. So AND operation, first we are going to learn what logic gate, that means symbol. Logic gate, so its logic gate is like this way. Here we know already, we have discussed that there are minimum 2 variables are required for binary operation. Okay, so we used here 2 variable. The symbol is like D. A, B. These are input signal. And these are output signal. Suppose X. Mind it very carefully. These are the symbol of AND gate like D. Here in the left hand side we have to write the input signal, in the right hand side we have to write the output signal. Output signal always 1. There is single output signal. Most of all logic gates there are single output signal. Okay, so output signal is here, I am denoted it with X, and the input signal there are 2 input signal. If we say we want 3 input signal, we can draw the AND gate like this way. A, B, C, and here output signal is always 1. Okay, so for input signal here X is, we know that if A or B are the inputs, and then AND is denoted by A dot B. So here X also output, so X equals to A dot B, denoted by A dot B. Why A dot B? As it is A and B here. Okay, so here it is A, B, C, 3 input signal, and X is 1 output, so X is denoted by A dot B dot C. So we can write as many as input signal in any OR gate, but minimum 2 input signals are required, and the output is denoted by all the variables using dot symbol. So these are the logic gate of AND operation. Okay, clear? Not necessary we can name it any, not necessary it is given by A and B. We can use here X, Y, small a, small b, anything we can write here, input signal and the output signal. But the main purpose is there are minimum 2 input signal, and as much as more than 2 input signal can be used. Okay, so these are our logic gate of AND operation. Now we are going to learn about switching circuit. Switching circuit. Switching circuit. So switching circuit is a circuit which you have learned in class 9 and 10 in physics. Computer is most of all based on physics and maths. Okay, so for switching circuit, at first we draw with minimum 2 input signal. In circuit, these are switch. Switch means whenever switch is on, light will display, or whenever switch is off, light will be closed. Okay, series and parallel. I don't know whether you have learned in class 9 and 10 series circuit and parallel circuit. For AND operation, all the input signals are connected in a series way. Series means in one line. Okay, for every circuit there needs one battery and there is an bulb. Okay, here the switch are used like this way. So we know that whenever in a circuit, whenever suppose it is a switch, suppose here is a bulb, here is a battery. Okay, so if the switch is open, then there is a disconnected path, so bulb will not go. But if the switch get closed means like this way, if it is gets down, then the path is closed, then the bulb will glow. Okay, so this in open state and this in closed state. So when the bulb will gets glow when the switch is closed, and when the switch is open, bulb will not glow. So for open state it is denoted as 0 and for closed state it is denoted as 1. Clear? Again I am telling you, when the switch circuit is open, that means it is disconnected circuit, so the current will not pass into the bulb, so the bulbs will not glow. So this circuit is known as open circuit, and open circuit means open state is denoted as state 0, and when the circuit is closed, then it is a total closed circuit, then current can be passed through these circuits and this bulb will get glow. So this is closed circuit, it is denoted by 1. Clear? So here also, here two switches are there, A and B. When these switches are open, bulb will not glow, and when these switches are closed, bulb will glow. Simple thing. If we add 3 switches there, then the circuits will be like this. So for AND operation, every switches must be connected in like this way in series. Okay, in one line. Series means in one line. This is our switching circuit of AND gate. Mind it. For AND gate, every switch must be connected in series. Clear? Now, depending on this, we can create truth table. Truth table. What is truth table? We know that truth table is the output of any digital circuit depending on its input value. Okay, so these are our circuit. So by discussing or by understanding this circuit, we get the truth table. So here in truth table, we know that there are 2 input value, A and B. I am not doing this 3 input value, I am doing here with 2 input value. You will do the truth table of 3 input value. So for truth table, there is input and output. So input, there are 2 values A, B, and for output we know that output is A dot B for AND operation. Okay. Now, what will be the condition? Now let us okay, draw the circuit here, then it will be clear to you. 2 values 1 1. Okay, mind it, open state means 0, closed state means 1. Okay, so let us check all the condition of truth table. when both the switches are open, that is both the switches are open means A is 0, B is 0. Suppose A is 0, B is 0. Okay, so when both the switches are open, obviously current will not flow in through this circuit, because as these switches are open, so bulb will not glow. Then A dot B, so our output will be 0. 0 means we do not get any output value. What is output? This is output. If the bulb will glow, then output is 1. If bulb will not glow, then the output is 0. Okay, so in our first state, when both the switches are open. In our second state, suppose A is closed and B is open. A is open, B is closed. That means B circuit is like this way. B is connected. Okay, so in second state we have to check all the possible conditions. So in a possible condition is one switch is open, another switch is closed. So when one switch is open, then also this area is a disconnected circuit. So here also again bulb will not glow. So our next state is A is open, B is closed. So B is closed, here current can flow. But as current cannot flow through this area, so obviously current will not reach in bulb. So bulbs will not go. So output is 0. 0 means we do not get any output. Okay. In our second state, A is closed. That means A is connected and B is open. So B is 0. That means A is closed means A is 1, B is 0. Clear? So again also current can flow through switch A. But as B is open, current cannot reach to the bulb B. So obviously bulb will not go. So output is 0. Clear? And in our last condition, when the both switches are closed. That means when both are closed. Obviously when the both are closed, it is a fully connected circuit and bulb will glow. Then the output will be 1. Yeah. So this is the truth table of A and B operation. A and B operation means A and B is a logic gate which is used in digital circuit. Whenever we use these gates, then all the possible output value of this gate can be obtained through this truth table. So what is the possible value? As there are two input signal, either both lines gets passed through the signal, then 1. If one is 0, another is 1. That means current can pass through B and is not from 0. Then what will be the output we get? We can confirm through this truth table. Okay, so these gates are used in our digital electronics. These are basic gates. Clear? So how we get these 4 possible conditions? You must know that whenever there are 2 input value, okay, 2 input value, there are 4 possible condition. How we get 4 possible condition? We know that input is 2. Possible condition is input is 2. And in binary number system, there are 2 value, true and false. So we have to 2 to the power input line. These are the possible condition. Okay, these are possible condition. 2 to the power input line. So here input line is 2. That means 2 to the power 2. We get 4 possible conditions. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You must have to remember these things. If you can't remember 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So you can remember like this way. A value is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now, so what we get in AND gate? In AND gate, our final conclusion is whenever one of the input value is 0. That means you can see that for first condition both are 0. output is 0. For the second condition, A is 0, B is 1, again output is 0. For the third condition, A is 1, B is 0. So 1 0 is there, output is 0. So when the both are 1, output is 1. That means in AND operation, when all the input values are 1, output is 1. Otherwise, if there are any input value, if any 0 in any one input value, then the output will be 0. Why? Because as all the switches are in series, if any one is open, the circuits will be disconnected circuits and we do not get the output value here. That's why in any, so what is our condition? Our conclusion is in AND gate, if one of the input signal is 0, one of the input signal, any number of, whether it is 2, 3, any number of one of the input signal is 0, output is 0. And if all the input signal is 1, output is 1. Okay, these are the main conclusion of AND operation. That means in AND operation, if any one input signal line is 0, then output is 0, and if any one input line is 1, output is 1. Here I am draw the truth table of 3 input signal. I am just draw the combinations of 3 input signal. You will do the output. 3 input signal. Okay. So 3 input signal truth table is, we know, input, output. So input line is 3 here, A, B, C. Clear? Output is A dot B dot C. So for 3 input signal, we have already discussed combinations means combination. How many types of combination are there? If there are 3 input signal, combination is 2 to the power 3. 3 is the number of input line. Why is 2? As 2 is the base in binary number system. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 combinations are there. In our previous example, there are 2 input signal. 2 input signal means 2 to the power 2. That means we get 4 combinations, and here we get 8 combinations. So what are the 8 combinations? For your understanding, I am writing here like this way: 0, 0, 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So like this way you can remember this thing: 4041, 2021, 2021, 1011, 1011. In 2 input signal, 2021, 1011. If we get another number here, we have to write 4041, then 2021, then 1011. Again, one thing is that you have already learned the binary number table. These are the value of 0, these are 1, these are 2, these are 3, these are 4, these are 5, these are 6, and these are 7 value. Okay, so here A dot B dot C, that means our logic is, if one of the input signal is 0, output is 0, and if all the input signal is 1, output is 1. So here you can see one of the input signal, that means 0 0 0. Here all the input signals are 0, obviously output is 0. Here 0 0 0, that means two input signals are 0, output is 0. Here 0 1 0, that means two input signals is 0, output 0. Here 0 1 1, 1 is 0 there. So we have to take into consider the three value in one line, because these are the input value at a time. Okay, these are the input value at a time, and we have to consider these values. So all time we have to consider all the three values at a time. Don't compare this with the other value. We have to compare it with the same line. So here is 1 0 is there, so it is 0. Here also you have to consider these three value. So here is 1 0 is there, so this is 0. Here also three value, so this is 0 0. Here also 1 0 is there, so it is 0. In last value all the 3 are 1, so output is 1. So in AND system, when all the inputs value is 1, output 0. So at first you have to remember, you have to write all the numbers in one line. So don't write it in upward and downward direction. You must write in one direction, otherwise you will not get the proper output value. Okay, in our next video we will learn about our in others to logic gate.